Szeged University's Ear, Nose and Throat (ENT) and Head and Neck Surgical Clinic offers treatment for patients not only from Szeged and the Southern Plain, but from the whole of Hungary and even from the wider European region. The basic profile of the clinic is the treatment of adult and child ENT cases, either as inpatients or outpatients. In addition, however, it is responsible for the treatment of both benign and malignant tumours affecting the ENT and head and neck areas, endoscopic and microscopic laser surgery to the throat, oncological surgery for the preservation of organs, and the full spectrum of reconstructive surgical procedures ranging from regional flaps to microvascular free flap techniques. Patients with disorders affecting their vestibular organs are examined and treated in the otoneurological lab and unit. Our high-level activities include the surgical improvement of hearing, the full spectrum of ear surgery, cochlear implants, the Baha system, etc., as well as the examination and treatment of patients of all ages who are hard of hearing. There is a state-of-the-art audiological centre in the clinic where patients with ear diseases receive detailed examinations. Treatment is available for the hard of hearing, as well as preparation for surgery and, if necessary, the prescription and fitting of hearing aids also take place. Disorders of balance organs are examined and treated by the otoneurology laboratory and department. Our team of specialists with a background of international training and experience deals with both tumorous and non-tumorous diseases of the nose, the sinuses and the base of the skull, using state-of-the-art endoscopic surgical procedures and sleep diagnostics. All types of reconstructive and cosmetic plastic surgery in the ENT area are undertaken at the clinic. Our specialist area is endoscopic diagnosis and surgery on the throat and constrictions of the windpipe, using our internationally acclaimed innovative techniques and the range of instruments which we have developed ourselves. The phoniatric laboratory deals with voice production disorders, the treatment of hoarseness and the rehabilitation of patients after throat surgery, whilst the specialist rhinological unit deals with ENT allergies and the general examination and treatment of patients with rhinological complaints. One further important activity we undertake is the restitution of hearing in children and adults alike.